So one of the initiatives that we got going, which we'll get into, is how do we solve it? I think somebody said earlier today, like, you know, the power of working together is what's going to solve these issues. And we believe that entirely.
The core value to this is the vendors, by going through what we call high trust certification, we'll talk about that in a second, do this once or maintain this certification, but they're doing it one time. They're building a program around high trust, and we are willing to accept that, each one of us that's part of the council. So there isn't this idea in every case where every customer is negotiating with every vendor that there's this dance around security. And what the end result is that we have a higher degree of comfort that they actually have a substantive and mature security program in place. Yeah. And the vendors are convenienced by the fact that they're not answering every one of these 300-400 security questionnaires, which frankly has very little value.
And I think one of the questions we get a lot is, well, asking everyone to achieve a certain degree of standard is onerous and will stop innovation in its tracks. And I think that's very wrong. I think we're actually providing the playbook on how to securely operate and work with large systems 2 to 3 years before you're actually ready to do so. Show up to our doors, and you can avoid the Johns and me's of the world. Just present your stamp, and at the time, if those are the requirements, then you'll have met them, and you'll be able to do business widely. So we think this is a win for vendors. They get to stop answering questions and start plowing that time back into building safer products. We give time back to our supply chains to focus on things that save lives.
So I would have to summarize this in one word. This is frictionless. We're trying to build a frictionless environment while ensuring a high level of security and maturity around security.